Hello and welcome to KSGindia.com. LTC voucher scheme for employees. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on 12th October 2020 announced giving out cash vouchers to central government employees this year in lieu of leave travel concession fare which could be spent only on buying non-food GST rated items. FM Sitharaman said that the employees could buy items that attract 12% or more goods and service tax. These purchases will have to be made in digital mode from GST registered outlets. To incentivize the government sector employees, every 4 years central government employees get LTC to any destination of their choice plus one to their hometown. Since travel is difficult to undertake during the pandemic, the government will pay the entitled fare as cash vouchers which have to be spent by March 31, 2021. The LTC voucher scheme is to incentivize the government sector employees' contribution for the revival of demand in the country. Government says that LTC voucher scheme will boost the generated demand worth Rs 28,000 crores. Central government employees get LTC in a book of 4 years air or rail fare as per pay scale. Entitlement is reimbursed and in addition, leave encashment of 10 days is paid. Financial boost to the economy. If central government employees opt for it, the cost will be around 5,675 crores. Employees of PSBs and PSUs will also be allowed this facility and the estimated cost for them will be 1,900 crores. The tax concession will be allowed for the state or private sector too, for the employees who currently are entitled to LTC subject to following the guidelines of the central government scheme. Demand infusion in the economy by central government and central PSC PSB employees is estimated to be Rs 19,000 crore approx. Demand infusion by the state government employees will be 9,000 crores. Additional consumer demand generated will be Rs 28,000 crores. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching KSGindia.com. Stay tuned for more informative and updated videos.